And then the goalkeeper, Danielle de Jong. Give it up for Sherina Spitzer. We gotta make sure that we feel today. Hey, come on.
So our train is for 6:27. We have to rush to catch the train this morning. So we are running. Because of the what do you say, the diagonal. Oh, we are waiting for our train.
Record. Let's walk there.
For my ice cream. So today is Sunday. Today is the day of the match, but this morning we want to go to the museum because the match starts by 9 and we need to be there by 7. See you later. Bye. Hi, so we're going out to the museum now. Baby, weather is getting cold. Cold inside. Come to my video. That was the weather. I am young. Sorry. Paranoid. I can picture this one without you. Hey, yeah, dance now.
I better come out.
I just saw love in Basel and I'm so inspired. Why is there an animal turned upside down? I don't think we actually explored everywhere in this museum. It's so big and I'm tired. In fact, we are tired. We need to go back to the hotel to relax before the game. So we're just resting for a few minutes and then we start going back to the hotel so that we could prepare for the game later tonight. So see you guys later tonight. We have to relax.
So tired.
We are so tired. This museum is so big, so big.
I know, right?
Thank you. Yes, they drink.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
something like you're happy. After your team, you should be crying. We lost. Oh my god. It's coconut.
This is
It's okay.
it's nice.
This is very nice. It's made from coconut. You can make this. You just coconut cream, right? And then they boil it inside all of this. Every time I make this, I'm going to make everything. You can have more from mine if you want. But I'm definitely going to have another one. Here it's our main course. So we're having this. See where you put it. Put it well so that I can show everyone what you're having. What's this? This is the duck, right?
Yeah, the duck.
So Hoppy is having duck. Duck and rice, and I'm having, what's this? No, this is not the pad thai, but whatever, something sauce, noodles, egg, beef, and the fried rice. Yeah, this is what I'm having. Okay, I need a spoon.
Yeah.
Miss your food in your plate here. Alright, thanks babe. It's okay. So we're leaving, trying to go catch our train now. So bye. Be cozy. See you, Basel, when we see you.
Angenehme Reise. Lieber Gäste, um ganz bequem auch ohne Ticketkontrolle reisen zu können, nutzen Sie gerne auch unseren Komfort-Check-In. Bei Fragen sprechen Sie meine Kollegen oder mich gerne.
I'm just getting home. This is almost 8 something. 8 what again, baby?
Yeah. 8:55.
8:55, and we're just arriving. Like, it was a very hectic day. I don't think we want to take the train again.
No.
No, we're not taking the train again. The journey
That
was
long journey.
so long, unnecessarily long. All right, signing out.
Bye, guys.
Bye.